Hello, and I'm just gonna build off of my last video about the web console, and I'm gonna show you today is how to add a nice way to copy stuff from the web console into your application. Now, if you've used the web console before, sometimes copying can be a bit of a pain, especially if you don't like using the mouse like me. So here we've got our instance variables. But if I want to copy, let's say I figure something out I want to do here in the web console. Let's say I mapped each of these cats to the uppercase. Now I want to copy that to my clipboard. If I It's a bit of a pain. If I press Command A, it selects the whole page. If I hit all this, even if I press Command C and I go here, it's a bit awkward here. It kind of worked. It got the prompt. Uh, and then, so sometimes you have to actually like go in and highlight what you want. Right click, copy. It's just a little awkward. So anyways, what I'm going to show you is how we can just set up, so Command C copies exactly what we want, and we're going to make it like an editor. So if you use Sublime, Atom, Visual Studio Code, a lot of other editors, if you go to any line in that and you press Command C without selecting anything, it actually copies that line. So I'll do it here. I press Command C. I've kind of set it up to also select the line, but it's copied it to my clipboard. I have that line. So we're going to do that so that when you're here in your console, if you've typed out a command you want it, don't need to highlight anything, just hit Command C. It will copy that line and you can paste it. Of course, I didn't do it there because we haven't set it up yet. So I'll show you how to do that. So here, what we're going to do is we're going to add another event listener. And this one is I'm going to call it the copy listener. And here, when we copy, we want to prevent the default behavior. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to call navigator.clipboard. This is how you access the browser's clipboard using Firefox. So I'm not 100% sure this will work in other browsers, but probably. So rapid console, current session, and input. That's basically, this is the current value of this console here. So if I open up the web console, the sort of web browser console, and I paste that, not that, but this one here, you can see here it's the value of what's currently here. So this is the copy listener, and then basically what we want to do is add it when we show the console, but we want to remove it when we hide the console. So here, so when we show the console, we're going to add it. So we'll do this. We'll select this body again. And we'll say add event listener. So this will be on the copy event. And we'll execute this copy listener. And then we just want to remove it when we hide the console. Because we basically don't want to copy every time copy is done within the browser, only within this little web console. So here we will go remove it, save that. Now here, so now if we'll open up the web console, oops, I have the focus, and let's say we have this command that we've worked on. Now we just want to copy that, so if the command is there, you just press Command C, and now we go to where we want to paste it, Ruby, so let me pull up some Ruby here, and we'll just paste it right here. So anyways, that's just a quick way to make copying from the web console a little bit nicer. That's all I've got for today, and I'll see you next time. Thanks a lot.